So, we all know that Epic Games' Unreal Engine is one of the best engines when it comes to creating games. And with the release of Unreal Engine 5 alongside the 5.7 series, creating games have been a bit more easier. And yes, there are tutorials and stuff that teaches you how to get around several stuff with tips and tricks, and also a couple of guidance with several things, but having a well-structured tutorial that walks you from start to finish of learning how you can master several stuff in Unreal Engine in most cases is ideal, but purchasing them could be expensive. And today we have something that is pretty interesting from the folks at Humble Bundle alongside the folks at Game Dev TV, as they've made learning Unreal Engine super accessible to all, as they've just recently announced the Make Your Own Games in Unreal Engine 2026 bundle. I would like to consider this as a 2026 gift for creators. This comes bundled with 18 items, which typically would cost £1,581, but you can get these for £22 to £27, which is an absolute steal. And this offers 15 courses, 1 material pack, and 1 first-person shooter music asset pack. And a portion of what you pay for these courses get to be donated to support the charity called Trees, Water and People. And of course you might be wondering, what do you get with this? There is a lot of C++ developer courses that you find here, alongside blueprints and of course some very amazing stuff. Starting off, we do have the C++ Fundamental course, and this course gets you started with C++ from scratch as you learn how to build your own small games with Reallib, as it covers a ton of things that has to do with variables, loops, structs, functions, and various object-oriented programming foundations, and these would get you started with creating games with C++. Next, we've got the Project Obstacle Assault that teaches you how to work with the sequencer, camera animation, and world events for cinematic gameplay. And of course with these you would learn how to build cutscenes, environment animations, and simple interactive systems. The Project Dungeon Escape lets beginners get started with blueprints, as this has been remastered for Unreal Engine 5.6, and this course for the most part is still relevant for Unreal Engine 5.7. Throughout this course, you would learn how to build marble run and crystal carvings while learning more about collisions and triggers, giving you more basics of how you can work with various things that will deal with submodular systems inside Unreal Engine. Project Battle Blaster gets the creators started with creating and building very simple first-person setup and experimenting with movement, particles, and user interface. And this is more of a relaxed course which is focused on getting you started with discovering what you need to make the game feel good and improving the overall experience of the player. Project Shooter Sam gets you started with learning C++ by simply building small games from scratch. And this brings us into that loop that covers stuff that has to do with various kinds of animation, object-oriented programming for animation, alongside core things like inheritance, encapsulation, and basic/intermediate programming concepts that you would need for creating stuff in Unreal Engine 5. And if you're thinking about building your very own survival game, you can now build a complete survival game with blueprints in Unreal Engine, as there's a course for that. And this gives you the option of building a full survival adventure game by simply using blueprints to control things like lighting, triggers, modular systems, crafting, inventory mechanics, and artificial intelligence. There is just a lot of things that you can learn with this particular bundle, as it also covers things that has to do with action adventure game development, which brings developers up to speed with building AI behavior trees, first and third person shooter, animation blueprints, and so on. For those who are thinking about building environment, possibly you want to become an environment artist, then there is a course for that as well, as you learn how to craft natural outdoor environments by simply using landscape, foliages, and megascan assets. This particular course actually focuses on the lighting, composition, and blending assets for cinematic purposes. If you're into math, or possibly you like to master things like vectors, trig, probability, and other gameplay logics, then the Maths for Video Games course is also another interesting one, as this uses practical maths to solve real game development problems. So if you're into stuff like this, then of course these courses are right here. There is also one interesting course that has to do with tools and techniques for staying motivated, and it's more like a productivity course for creative who seems to struggle to finish project. So we all know that, latency is something that almost every one of us gets to deal with, and sometimes creating or working through a project can be a bit overwhelming, and that is where this course comes in. It helps you learn the strategies of maintaining, planning, and having your thoughts put out clearly, and building momentum to beat that overwhelming idea of seeing a project as being almost impossible. Amongst all of these, we also have some other cool stuff that are right here, which also deals with an Unreal Engine material pack that comes with 24 master materials with 50 instances for Unreal Engine 5.1, but these are fully configurable tileable materials which you can also use with the recent version of Unreal Engine. There's also the first-person shooter music asset pack as well, which comes with 15 high-quality tracks that has been designed for various moods that includes landscape and also intense games. These can be used for both action games and first-person shooter games regardless. So whether you're thinking about getting started with creating your very first game, learning blueprints, enhancing movement and inputs with C++, or even getting started with C++, or becoming that Unreal Engine cinematic creator that can work with the sequencer to create cutscenes, camera animation, and in-game events with super ease, then this bundle by every means covers a lot. And of course, if you're thinking about getting started with Unreal Engine, then maybe 2026 is the year for you, as these courses will get you up to speed with a lot. And like we mentioned earlier, all of these you'll be getting for about £27, as against purchasing them individually that will be costing you over £1,581. And this price simply looks like a steal and a New Year's gift from the folks at Humble Bundle alongside the folks at Game Dev TV. And speaking about bundles and Unreal Engine, you can also go ahead and check out the Unreal Engine Environment Bundle. This is a huge one, as this comes with 21 interesting items that deals with quite a lot. All of these you can get for £35 to £40 as against £1,055. Anything that you get to purchase this with, the portion of it gets to be donated to the charity called the World Wildlife Fund. And what do you get with this, you might ask? You do have access to environment packs, and all of these environment packs are Unreal Engine environment with Nanite, Lumen, modular asset, and demo scenes. So it's a complete package, from large medieval market 3D environment, which comes with over 152 assets, modular stalls, level instances and blueprints, all the way to the modular airport that comes with over 580 plus assets, interior focused, full lighting setup, and also modular structure. We also have the office environment that ships with 200 plus modular unique assets with full office interiors for those who like to explore and build office scenes. If you're thinking about shops, this also offers shop and restaurant environments with 335 plus assets, all fully modular with lighting and amazing level organization. We've got airport terminal interiors as well with 250 plus assets, lighting clusters and so on. Train station is also available for those who are thinking about building 3D environments with a train station. This is beautiful as it comes with 249 plus assets, fully optimized for high and low end asset usage, as this is also fully modular. There's also the construction environment that ships with 190 plus assets, fully VR optimized, and we've got the server room environment that comes with 62 plus assets. All of these are amazing. The server room actually comes with some modular racks, some blueprints ready to use server system setups and stuff. The warehouse environment is also a very interesting one. This comes with 165 plus modular asset, and it ships with storage layout and a gameplay ready demo scene, which you can just pick up and start exploring. And of course, you might also notice that down here that we do have some vehicles. So you do have a vehicle pack as well, and this ships with 5 cars, openable doors, turnable wheels, color changing materials, and all that. These allows you to customize them however you want, and most of these are from the folks at Scans Matter. At the same time, we've got some construction vehicle volume 1 as well, which comes with 7 vehicles. They're all fully nanite ready and also optimized for mobile. We've got some props as well that deals with some seatings and bed kits, some crate and barrel kit, some mega barrel kits as well. And if you're into materials / photogrammetry, then we've got some. So you do have about 4 of these, which are pretty nice, and this includes the road, the plaster, the concrete, and also the brick wall. So these are very nice ones, and you can grab them. And for some reason, if you're looking for more stuff, of course there is more, as the Mega Game Development Asset and Tools is also available, and this is offering 40 interesting items. So if you're thinking about getting this, normally this should be costing about £2,071, but you'll be getting this for about £26 to £31. Again, these are all absolute steal, and these are being categorized into environment, props, object, vehicles, tools, and systems, which is also interesting. We've got an audio pack as well, and subscription. So there are quite a good number of things that you'll be getting. So for the subscription, you'll be getting subscription from the folks at Cosmos. They're offering a 50% discount. At the same time, you're also getting a Cosmos 1-month subscription, which is also pretty impressive. Games by the folks at Hyperstore is also offering a 50% discount. So you're getting a lot of discounts with this one right now, alongside a free 1-month subscription from the folks at Cosmos and a 3-month subscription from the folks at Hyper. Amazing. So if you want to grab any of these, you can. And for the assets that you get here, This is a combination of assets that you can use in both Unreal Engine and Unity, and again they comprise of a lot of stuff from modular swimming pool, which is a mega pack. They've also got the office space mega pack for both Unreal Engine and Unity. We've got the post-apocalyptic urban city, which is also impressive. That is also really good. Then we've got the tire repair shop for Unreal Engine and Unity. For the electronics, we've got the electronics mega store, which is also really nice. The board game interior room is also there. We've got the warm Christmas stuff as well, which is pretty impressive. And the Valentine's Day is around the corner sometime next month, so there's also a Valentine's Day stuff that you can grab here. And of course, we have a ton of assets. So if you're looking for assets, there are different kinds of assets that you find here, but military asset and very simple stylized assets, you will find very nice assets here. We also have a couple of nice cool vehicles which you can find here alongside some tools and plugins. Now, one thing which you'll also find here as well includes animation. So there is a couple of cool animation pieces right here. So if you're looking for animation for your characters, of course, there's a couple of animations right here which you can work with, and all of these all come together to give you a nice mega pack that you can start working with. So from assets to environment all the way to tools, there is definitely something for you, and you can come through and check them out. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at all of these, possibly you like to get started with Unreal Engine, or maybe you're looking for nice looking high quality environment bundles that you can work with, or you like to work with some of these plugins or tools alongside props and stuff that are right here, then all of these are now available and you can come through and grab them. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at all of these, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.